What does the badge on Plenty of Fish mean? Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joints. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you what it means and what you can do to have it. Without any further ado, let us get started. Open up your application from your device. So after creating an POF account, if you verify yourself, you will get a badge for your profile that will tell anyone looking at it that your photos are real and you have taken the time to prove it. That means other members will also feel more confident chatting and meeting up with you. And the same badges also lets you track your accomplishments and plan your next goals. So it will make people genuinely believe that you are a real person and not a bot. If you would like to verify your account, then we have made a step-by-step process of how you can verify your Plenty of Fish account. Do check that out. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.